boat rides with penguins, wine tasting in the desert, and sandboarding massive dunes, but it's all crammed into 14 hours. We're Arie Gary, travel executives with over a decade of experience planning trips worldwide, and we're here to test out these destinations so that way you don't waste your vacation days. By the end of this video, you'll know if it's worth it for you to book this day trip to Paracas and Huacachina. We kicked the day off at 4 a.m. from Lima, a 4-hour bus ride south to Paracas, but the bus was comfy enough, had ACs, recliners, but that early start, brutal, especially after the Machu Picchu recovery. Our trip was $50, and here's what it came with. You had your round trip, drop off, and pick up tickets for the bus. You had your 2-hour guided boat tour in Paracas. You had a local Pisco vineyard with Pisco tasting, and the Dune buggy and sandboarding tour in Huacachina. Some things that were not included was the 16 soles for Paracas and the 4 soles for Huacachina. These are local taxes that you're charged before entering.
We arrived in Paracas to hop on a boat to the Ballestas Islands, the Galapagos of Peru. What makes this coastal gem so stunning is that it's known for dramatic desert meets ocean landscapes, wildlife, and surreal natural formations.
With a little luck during your tour, you will see penguins diving, sea lions barking, and the Peruvian boobies taken to the sky. Seeing this wildlife show was amazing, but the tour kind of hurdles you like cattle. It's 30 minutes out, snap pics, and then you're back. No time to linger, feels a little rushed and felt touristy, but the views were well worth it.
After our boat ride, we took a quick 20-minute bus ride to a nearby wine vineyard in Ica called Pisco Nieto. We had a classic distillery tour. We tasted fresh grapes, learned about the fermentation process, and sampled 3 piscos. Lunch was solid. We had fresh ceviche, chicken and rice, and more pisco. But to be completely honest, it's a bit of a tourist trap. The guides were very pushy with sales. The tastings were legit, and it was fun. We got a little buzz midday, and the food hit the spot right after the boat. It's not a ripoff, but it's not the highlight. And just 30 minutes away is the main event, Huacachina, the desert oasis.
A lot of the research and the blogs that I watched led me to believe that Huacachina was like in the middle of nowhere, but with Ica only being 30 minutes out, it really kind of took away from that feel. Nonetheless, it's a beautiful oasis town, and the illusion is there.
What's going on, guys? We are in Huacachina.
We made it!
We made it. We're in Huacachina, and it's still beautiful, even though it's not a desert oasis in the middle of nowhere like some of the bloggers lead you to believe.
Not.
But it is still
an isolated desert.
But it is very much gorgeous. There is a whole city here, and just check out like the scenery. You see it in both ways. Spin around in circles, sand all around us, and
it's beautiful. It's really beautiful.
Right now, we're about to just explore the surrounding town because at 4:15, sorry, we have our tour set up.
Sandboarding and Dune buggy.
Yeah, but let's see what Huacachina has to offer.
We didn't have much time to explore Huacachina, but we noticed other activities like paragliding and swan boats. Probably want to stay overnight if you want to do something like that, but we were here for this. Now it was time to board our Dune buggy. The buggy ride was surprisingly heart-pounding. The driver is zooming all over the place like a roller coaster, hitting those dunes. You don't even know what's coming next. Flipping sand everywhere. It was a great time, and it was really unexpected. Midway through your dune ride, you stop in this nice picturesque spot along with the other riders, and you get some great shots of the desert. After about 30 minutes of farming content, you move to the next spot where it's time to go sandboarding. You can stand up, but you have to be experienced, and the guides strongly urge you not to do so. There's 3 different hill levels: easy, hard, and then expert.
That's a lot. Oh my gosh.
And those expert level hills get intense. You're speeding down super fast, and if you fall, expect to feel a little pain.
Oh, wow. OMG. Oh my God.
You okay?
No, not really.
Guys, that was incredible. It was intense. Arie fell and hurt herself, but she's a champ. She got up and recovered. You know, she's taking selfies. Now we're just watching and enjoying this beautiful sunset. And honestly, babe, even though you fell, was it worth it?
It was so worth it. So worth it.
And she felt pretty bad. She rolled down the hill.
I rolled like 3 times, but it's okay. It was all worth it. I loved it. The views are just unreal. I'm so happy we're here. It's my birthday. I'm with my love. I'm in Peru. What more could you get?
This is just beautiful. Guys, if you're heading to Huacachina and you're short on time, this is an absolute yes. If you don't like sitting on a bus for hours at a time, then I suggest renting a car or staying overnight. That way you get to partake in some of the other activities that they have in town. Thanks for watching Miles and Memories with Arie and Gary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your favorite part of the video, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure.